Hi, I'm Mark Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today you join me in Allscott and in front of this beautiful 3-bed terrace property. Now, this has got an upgraded kitchen with all the built-in appliances that you'll need. It's got a separate utility, ensuite, family bathroom. It's in a great location, semi-rural, but close to local amenities and still not too far away from Wellington town centre as well. It's got great links to the M54, and this one has been really well looked after. Built in 2022, it's on a small development and it really is nice and peaceful. We've got fields to the side of me just here, and then the rest of the estate down there. There's some public walkways that you can walk your dogs along. So let's get you inside, let you have a look around this one. Follow me. Okay guys, you've had a look around this 3-bed in Allscott. I hope you agree it's a stunner. It's been really well looked after. It's going to make an ideal family home. If you're interested in booking a viewing on this one, please reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on, or you can message me or give me a call on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it from me guys. I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.